The summer camp may be over, but today we plant the real seeds in the mind of teachers. Because teaching isn't just about lessons, it's about connections. Every child is different, and every approach of teaching should be different. In today's session, we explored what it means to teach mindfully with awareness, compassion, and purpose. Mindful teaching starts within and flows outward into every child's world. From storytelling to silence, from curiosity to calm, we embrace diverse tools for diverse minds. We are not just training teachers, we are transforming classrooms. Because when a teacher evolves, an entire generations grow. And at Act to Action, we are not just about training, we are transforming.